One wheel is out. You know what that means? That's right. A wonderful RV park review. Heading to the front. We are at an amazing place. This is Angel Fire RV Resort. Right across the street, honestly. You can go over there, ride some horses. This is a great park. We were here checking it out for a couple days. When you come into this park, it's fabulous. There's about 105 sites here, I believe. And check-in procedure, you have these huge, wide lanes that you can park at. Check-in area here is beautiful. They've got a nice little shop and stuff in there. But since you have all this room, the sites are fabulous, and then you have landscaping is awesome, which is great to see. And then all the different amenities. There's lots of things, from pickleball, there's a tennis court, there's horseshoes. The sites are these amazing sites that you have a little separation with the great landscaping. The views, you've got hikes here. It's actually, Angel Fire is actually a ski resort up on top. And they've set this up in that same style, and it's just great. So we were here scouting out for a possibility of having an event here. Let me see if I can poke my head in. It's early in the morning, we're getting ready to leave into the event center. Oh, it's locked. The event center is locked this morning, but you can see, let me go around to the other side. Since the event center is locked, I guess I'm too early in the morning to be doing this video. They have this great area back here to sit on. And you have fire pits. The overview of the mountains and the elk that come down. It's actually stunning. And then in here, since they have it locked, let's see if I can at least poke my camera up here so you can see. Oh, it's open. It is open. So this is an amazing place to have an event. So as you can see, there's lots of little things, and it's kind of secluded. The town's super small. Super quiet town, super quiet RV park actually. Usually in RV parks you're next to airports and you're next to train tracks and stuff, but not here. It's just super quiet. It's beautiful at night. See the stars. Okay, I gotta hurry. They're waiting for me to hook up so we can leave. But wanted to at least take you and let you see this park. Just remember, if you're going to come here, you're going to come from Cimarron Valley. It's going to tell you on your GPS it's not, you got it no longer than 65 feet to make the trip. It's the only way up here. It's through Cimarron Valley on 64. That's the only way you're going to make it up this park. That's how we did it. So just giving you a heads up on all of that. And they're almost done hooking up. Sheila's waiting on me. And we'll see you on the next little adventure. Hopefully this was helpful. Talk to you soon.